welcome back to my channel. We are at Michael's again. I actually went to return something and I realized that they had more Halloween stuff, so I wanted to show you guys what they had out. I didn't show prices for every single thing because for one, it was going to take forever, and two, I went on a Sunday and it was packed. There were so many people there. So I just recorded what I could and showed you prices here and there. So I hope that you guys enjoy. And if you do like these type of videos, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I would definitely love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. And with that being said, let's get started. I was so excited for this boo sign. At Home has a similar one, just all white. But I will say I'm not hating the orange. I actually like it in orange as well. And I figured if anything, I could always paint it white. But I left it, guys. I don't know why. I kind of regret it now. I was trying to be good. But I think I'm definitely going to go back and get it. This guy is pretty cool. He is actually really heavy and he's huge. I was trying to do show you guys my hand as a reference, but his head is made of this foam material, but the rest of his body is ceramic. I thought that was kind of weird. I don't know. I almost brought this guy home, but I think I have a ghost pillow, but part of me just wanted to grab him, but I didn't. I left him. Like I said, I was trying to be good. They had a really nice selection of pillows. This cat pillow has been popular, I believe, for the past 2 years. I remember last year I was looking for him and I never found him. And of course this year when I'm trying to be good, I finally find him. So for the most part, all of these ceramic figurines were $14.99. This one here is a dupe for the Pottery Barn one. And yes, I picked it up. If you guys are familiar with that line, they were so popular last year. They sold out, but they are really expensive. And I've seen a bunch of people do like DIYs. But yeah, if you guys want the little one, make sure you check out Michael's. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's going to do it for today's video. Bye.